Hello, myself Abhishek Sharma. I have made a project. Its name is Vehicle Accident Alert Smart System. In this project, our main motive is that when an accident occur, on that time, our project will automatically send location, place, and where, how the accident has held, and all the details that are needed to report an accident. Our message will be sent to the vehicle's parents or guardians, ambulance, and nearby police station. So, in this module, I have used an LCD 16 into 2 SIM 900 GSM module, tiny GPS. It is its antenna, and this it is omnidirectional antenna. Arduino microcontroller, brain of our project. Here it is ADXL. In market usually ADXLs are not available, so we have used here digital compass. Basically, it will help us to understand from where our accident has occurred. Our GPS will tiny GPS will provide that from where from which place accident has occurred. It will give us longitude, time, altitude, and the details that are been given that has been provided by the GPS module. We all know that Arduino is the brain of our computer of our project. Here, this black color circular thing is a buzzer. Basically, we have provided buzzer in our system just to inform nearby people surrounding towards the vehicle. You can see that here we have used two LEDs, green and red. Green is green, and we have two switches. It is not that much of visible, but see, this one switch is for SOS and this one switch is for reset. Suppose if while driving you face any issue while driving, such as robbery or something like that, then you can just press this button to send an SOS signal to your parents or guardians, to the police station and ambulance. SIM 900 GSM module will send the SMS by using a GSM, global system for mobile communication. To provide supply to our project, we can use 5 volt direct. We can connect it to the laptop. 6 volt 2 ampere adapter. Now we'll see the working of our project. We have to connect it with two supplies. Number one is for we will provide supply to our Arduino. It is here. As you can see, we can provide Arduino supply by using this blue color USB cable. It will be connected with our laptop, or you can use this jack cable, this one. All you need to do is that just simply connect this wires with adapter or any batteries. Your battery must be between 5 volt to 12 volt, and its current rating is not that much of needed. But to run GSM module, you need 6 volt 12 ampere adapter necessary, because when we transmit a SMS over GSM, we need heavy current rating supply. Now we'll see it's working. I have connected. Firstly, I am connecting my Arduino with computer. Vehicle accident smart system. Accident alert smart system, basically. So, right accident. Now, in this phase, we will do calibration of our digital compass. As you know that calibration is very necessary for our project. To start to do calibration, all you need to disconnect the buzzer pin. This is buzzer pin and it is connected with pin number 8 of Arduino. So calibration is very easy. All you need to do is that just simply move your vehicle like this: right accident, left accident, back accident, front accident. Basically, our project need around 2 to 3 minutes to calibrate itself. So in LCD we will see done when our calibration is over. This phase is completely based on calibration. It is not the actual working of our project. All you need to do is just simply rotate like this. Sample, we are just collecting the sample value for our project. When we'll see done in our LCD, it will stop its calibration. Basically, it's required around 2 to 3 minutes usually. Please note that our GSM module will be connected with adapter 6 2 volt 6 sorry 6 volt 2 ampere current, and our Arduino will be connected to other supply. Both supplies should have common ground, otherwise your project will not work properly. It will show some errors. This is a calibration process and it will complete soon. You can just do it in rush like this: left, right, back, front. See, the main motive to do calibration is that we should not get false triggering, because the project that have been made earlier, they usually perform they usually give basically very much false triggering that may cause server many losses. Done. As you can see that our calibration process is done and it is normal condition. In normal condition it will show helium, latitude, longitude and time. I am currently inside the room, so our GPS is not yet connected. If our GPS is connected, this light will blink constantly. It will not blink basically. It will be on continuously. So when our calibration is done, all you need to do is that just connect buzzer pin to pin number 8. Okay, our laptop is closed. So as you can see, our calibration process is done. Now we will connect uh, pin number buzzer pin to pin number 8. Buzzer pin is connected and it is a fast triggering. Our project's accuracy is not 100%, but it is roughly around 95 to 96%. Now see, it is also fast triggering. Our model is at rest position, but then also it is showing accident. It simply means that it is a false triggering. Now it's normal condition. Time. As you can see, our product model is working smoothly. Now we'll do the right accident. See, our model is tilt and it is showing front accident. Now we'll perform accident with our model. Just simply grab it and we'll do right accident. See, right accident, it will show are you okay. If yes, press reset for 2 seconds. If driver is okay, then he will just simply connect the reset button. It will send the SMS. In SMS, parents, guardians, police station and ambulance will get the location, time and how accident is happened. When we see accident alert in our LCD, our buzzer will be ring. The main motive to ring the buzzer is that we should get attendance by nearby people, so that our victims should get rescue easily. Now we will do this accident. Now we'll perform back accident. Left accident. Are you okay for 2 seconds? If yes, press reset. Sending SMS. Latitude, longitude, time, normal condition. Suppose if our driver got very emergency condition, then all we will do is that we will just simply push on this SOS button. Like this. We need to push this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red, and it will show SOS alert. It will send the SMS. See, you can see our LED is on. Latitude, longitude, time, normal condition. I will once again I will push this button for 5 seconds. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SOS alert, sending SMS, and our red light is on. Many of time we get false triggering. So our project is not 100% accurate, but it is around 95 to 96% accurate. Sometimes we get false triggering. To avoid the rush, all we need to do is that just push this button. It is basically reset button. We need to just push it for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4. Green LED will open and it will just reset our code, and SMS will not be sent. See, it is a false triggering. To avoid this false triggering, that we should not send the SMS, we need to just push this green button. See, we receive 2 3 false triggering. Now I will just push this fast triggering button, and you can see what will be displayed on the LCD. Actually, we just received a false. I have just pushed on this false alert. See, false alert is starting VAAS, and this green light will be open. Our project will send SMS to the guardians, parents, via police station, ambulance within 8 seconds. Suppose an accident occur and it's left accident. It will ask, "Are you okay?" If yes, press reset 1-2 seconds. It will send the SMS to the person. It will show latitude and longitude of current position, and it will show the time. It will also show the how accident occur. We have not added very much features to this connect model, but we can add cameras, vibration sensor to avoid false triggering. The main problem behind this project is that we see many kind of false triggering. See, it is also false triggering. To avoid this false triggering, so our message should not send, we need to just push this button, false triggering button. See, now when we will just connect this, when we will on our reset button, it will not send the SMS to the receptionist. We have provided two buttons. One is for SOS and second is for reset button.